Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a DIY stress ball.
So let's get started.
Today you're going to need a funnel,
Rainbow beads,
some sanitizer,
scissors,
measuring utensils. Today we're using a ½ teaspoon, water absorbing beads, aka orbeez, and water. So with your balloon attached to the funnel, as you see here, you're going to just put 50 beads inside your balloon. You're going to put a ½ teaspoon of orbeez into your balloon. So next you're going to fill water up to this line right here. Add a squirt of sanitizer into your balloon. Once the funnel is out of the balloon, you're going to tie a knot on the top. Cut off the excess. Stress ball test!
So this is really good stress ball, and I like it because all the colors when I squish it around, and of the orbeez, and I like the rainbow beads too.
Okay, so my opinion is I really like squishing this because it's very squishy and it's really fun to squish. And you can hear sounds. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can kind of hear sounds from squishing it. And then my favorite part is actually twisting it. You might not want to twist it too much or it'll pop. But if you look right here, you can see like all the orbeez mixed together because we've been squishing it a lot. And then you see there's beads right here. So I really like looking at that because it's like a galaxy of colors. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, press a like, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
Yes!
Adios!